Looking for the best survival gadgets for 2025? Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for emergencies, these high-tech and innovative tools will keep you safe, warm, and prepared for any adventure. Let's check them out. The Pyro Putty Stow and Go IRC lighter is a waterproof, windproof, rechargeable electric lighter designed for instant fire starting in any condition. It comes with a single-use Pyro Putty fire starter, ensuring you can ignite a flame even in wet or snowy environments. With USB-C charging, an ultra-compact design, and survival-grade durability, this lighter is a must-have for campers, hikers, and survivalists. Check the description for deals. Need to light a fire fast? The Looft Air Lighter blasts 1200 degrees Fahrenheit of superheated air, instantly igniting charcoal, wood, and fire pits without gas or matches. It's odorless, chemical-free, and perfect for grilling, camping, or emergency fire starting. With its fast-acting ignition and long battery life, you'll never struggle to start a fire again. Find the best pricing in the description. The FLEXTAILGEAR Tiny Pump 2X is a game changer for campers and adventurers. This ultra-lightweight, rechargeable air pump can inflate sleeping pads, pool floats, and air mattresses in seconds, saving you time and effort. It also doubles as a camping lantern with adjustable brightness, making it perfect for lighting up your tent or outdoor space. The magnetic design allows you to stick it anywhere, adding even more convenience. Check out the link in the description. Want a campfire without the smoke? The BioLite FirePit Plus uses an integrated fan system to create a super efficient, smokeless burn. It works with charcoal or wood, making it perfect for grilling, camping, or backyard fire pits. With USB rechargeable power, adjustable flame settings, and an eco-friendly design, this fire pit delivers warmth and cooking capability without smoke in your face. Find the latest pricing in the description. The IMALENT MS03 EDC flashlight is a super bright 13,000 lumen rechargeable LED flashlight that turns night into day. Featuring GRAYL HP 70.2 LEDs, it's perfect for search and rescue, night patrol, or extreme outdoor adventures. Despite its compact size, it packs an incredible beam distance, ensuring visibility in total darkness. If you need a powerful survival flashlight, this is one of the best available. Check the description for exclusive offers. The GRAYL GeoPress Titanium is a 24-ounce water purifier bottle that lets you filter and purify water in seconds. Designed for hiking, survival, and emergency situations, it removes 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, and heavy metals, making any water source drinkable. It also features a cooking lid, allowing you to boil water directly on a stove or fire, making it a multi-purpose survival essential. Check the description for deals. The HEIMPLANET Cave Tent is a next-generation inflatable tent that sets up in seconds with no poles needed. Designed for extreme weather conditions, it's waterproof, wind-resistant, and durable enough for backcountry camping or survival scenarios. With its geodesic dome structure, it's incredibly stable even in harsh conditions. If you want a quick-pitch, ultra-reliable tent, this is one of the best for 2025. Find the latest pricing in the description. If you need a powerful fire-starting tool, go for the Pyro Putty ARC lighter. For instant fire ignition, the Looft Air Lighter is unbeatable. Want a fast, rechargeable air pump? The FLEXTAILGEAR Tiny Pump 2X is a great choice. If you love camping with a smokeless fire pit, the BioLite FirePit Plus is the way to go. And for ultimate water purification and cooking in the wild, the GRAYL GeoPress Titanium is a must-have. Which survival gadget is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Check the description for links to all the featured gadgets.